Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need a working sideload or jailbreak method before installing Ppsspp. Once ready, get the correct IPA for your iOS version and device architecture. Start by connecting your device to the computer and opening AltStore or your chosen signer, then install the Ppsspp IPA. While that installs, make sure your PSP game files are legally dumped and copied into the Files app or a cloud folder that Ppsspp can access. This avoids permission errors and speeds the next steps. Once Ppsspp is installed, open it and grant access to your files so it can read ISOs. You then import games either by tapping an ISO in Files and choosing Open with Ppsspp or using the in-app file browser. Make sure the file checksum matches your dump to avoid corruption. After the game appears, go to Settings to set rendering backend, enable or limit frame skipping, and tweak CPU threading. These settings balance battery, heat, and performance depending on your device model. To finish, configure save states and map touch controls or pair an MFI controller for reliable input. Once done, test a short play session to confirm performance. Use per-game settings to change PSB model, disable expensive shaders, and reduce audio latency if you hear stutter. If Ppsspp crashes or a game fails to run, reset the app settings, switch to compatibility mode, clear the cache, and if needed, reinstall the IPA via your sideload tool. This single trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.